Meaning of fruitfulness.
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 Fruitfulness. Fruitfulness refers to the state of being productive and yielding results. It is the quality of being able to generate a positive outcome from one's efforts and actions. A fruitful endeavor is one that produces substantial and desirable outcomes, such as generating profits, achieving personal growth, or contributing to the betterment of society. It involves utilizing resources effectively and efficiently to attain the desired objectives. Ultimately, fruitfulness is the measure of success in any given venture, and it is a crucial factor in determining the satisfaction and fulfillment that one derives from their work.